So with the solid opening by Mr. Tej, we are poised to build up a huge score in terms of delivering the right information to our guest today. The next lecture is by Mr. Raja Srinivasan. Mr. Raja is the head of technical KPT Piping System Private Limited. He was working with GEM equipments for more than 17 years and looking after cooling towers, compressed air dryers and chiller projects. He has started his piping career from 2008 with advanced PPR piping system. He has completed 500 plus turnkey projects, PPR piping projects, starting from design to handing over. He is a pipe designer and doing consultancy alone for Indian and foreign projects. Now he is heading the KPT technical team and providing complete end-to-end solution for utility piping and fire piping system. In his own words, the PPR piping system is a one-stop solution for utility and fire piping. Over to Mr. Raja.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். IPI சென்னை சாப்டர் இது போன்ற மிக அற்புதமான ஒரு கூட்டங்களை நடத்தி வருகிறது. முதலில் அவர்களுக்கு நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். So today we are talking about how PPR piping system is a one-stop solution for utility as well as fire piping. First I want to play a video about our company's corporate presentation, then I will continue with technical presentation. Play the video.
KPT, Flow Infinite. Modernization is an indispensable aspect for any society to thrive, grow and develop. Rapid urbanization requires robust infrastructure development and building construction. Every industrial and commercial construction requires a non-corrosive and eco-friendly advanced plastic piping system. Here comes KPT Piping Systems Private Limited, an ISO 9001:2015 and ISO 14001:2015 certified company with the advanced European technology PPR piping system. Operational since 2008, KPT is India's #1 industrial PPR piping solutions provider. A leader in polypropylene random copolymer piping systems, PPR piping system has a state-of-the-art multi-specialty piping manufacturing facility and uses non-toxic food-grade, highly strength, fusion weldable raw material for the production of its piping systems. To ensure world-class quality, KPT brings to you a piping system made with R200P PPR raw material, 100% Hyoseong from the Republic of South Korea. PPR pipes are eco-friendly and 100% food-grade material and resistant to most of the chemicals. PPR piping system is now widely used in the fields of drinking water, compressed air, cooling towers, firefighting, acids, RO, DM, ETP water applications, offering a longer lifespan of 50 years. With world-class PPR raw material and state-of-the-art production facility, KPT has successfully completed 2,500 plus complex projects for various industrial, commercial and government organizations. Our piping system is now running for most critical applications like data centers, injection molding factories and chillers all over India. Our product ranges: pneumatopipes for compressed air, green therm for water applications, thermoplast for firefighting system, KPT's manufacturing facility, lab, infrastructure, etc. KPT has a full-fledged and fully automated manufacturing facility with a capacity to produce 15 metric ton pipes per day. The unit has a fully equipped lab for material testing and quality assurance. The company adopts a stringent quality control process to ensure our customers get only the best anytime and every time. Our achievements: Winner of India 5000 Best MSME Award for Outstanding Contribution in Quality and Excellence in the realm of customer satisfaction. Pride of Bharat for the year 2021 for the most trusted pipes manufacturer and suppliers of the year. Our esteemed members, FIEO, Federation of Indian Export Organizations, CII, the Confederation of Indian Industry, EEPC, Engineering Export Promotion Council. We believe innovation and quality are the key to deliver world-class products. For over 13 years, we are working to deliver excellence to all our stakeholders. KPT, Flow Infinite.
India is a land of dreams, a land that gives you hope.
Let me start with that. So one or two slides I explain about our company. We have started in 2008 and we are only doing PPR pipes and fittings. From the beginning, we are not deviating our focus to any other products or piping. Now in India, we are having complete manufacturing facility up to 400 mm. We are now manufacturing up to 400 mm. Next year, we are going up to 630 mm. And we are having our own molds, injection molding machines, extrusion. We are having 500 plus mold in our factory. And now our current capacity is 900 metric ton per month. And next year, our next expansion, we will add another same capacity. So PPR, see now PPR is a known piping system. When I was started in 2008, first project in Motherson, I replaced a GI pipe with PPR pipe. That day nobody knows about the polypropylene piping system. Since I was working with GEM equipments, GEM chillers, it's very easy for me to convert GI piping to PPR piping system. See, PPR is the one pipe which can be replaced with all other piping system like CPVC, GI or MS based on the applications because it will withstand high pressure up to 20 bar. It will work from -5 to 95 degrees centigrade. And it is a fusion weld, so the joint is 100% leak-proof joints. So we can replace any piping system with PPR. Only thing is we should give proper support. Only minus point in PPR is the support. We are unable to make the support with higher intervals. We should give with the lower intervals. This is about PPR fusion welding. Once we heat and weld the pipe, it will become a homogeneous joint and no need of any adhesives like CPVC or UPVC. And we are having two kind of welding system. One is socket welding, another is butt welding. Higher sizes, we are doing butt welding. So why KPT? KPT, I already told, right? You have seen the corporate presentation. We are the only Indian company focusing PPR. And we did more than 2,500 projects. In India, we are the first company got NSF certificate so that we can use this for drinking water application, and we are exporting our pipe for all over the world. And we got prestigious CVRI certificate, which classified our pipe as a class 1 pipe, which we can use in firefighting application. We are the first company got CBRI certificate. And we are using Husong raw material, which is world #1 best raw material available in the world. So these are all our features, and our main focus is industrial applications. We did more than 2,500 projects all over India. So let's come with the subject. So see, from 2008 or in my lifetime when I have started with piping design, I am creating awareness about the importance of piping design. See, piping is the last area. After buying the machines, we are asking the plumber and do the piping like. But pipe is like a very vital part, right? If we are not delivering proper water or proper air to our machines, the machine's performance will affect, our quality will affect, our cycle time will affect. But for small industries, there is no proper pipe designer. If your Nissan-like projects or some MNC projects, they are having proper designer, they are having proper consultant. But in small projects, 1 or 2 machines, 5 machines, 10 machines, there is no pipe designer available at that time. So I was worked to fill that gap. Even 1 machine I have designed, 5 machines I have designed, 10 machines I have designed. So we want to be a solution provider for the customer. So the 4 areas relating to the piping, how to increase productivity means, one is proper pipe design. Second is leak proof. That is also increasing your productivity, right? Something leak happened, not immediately, after 5 years or 6 years. Arresting the leak, the time to arrest the leak. These are all affect our productivity in long term. Since we are going with PPR, once we do the joint properly, another 30 years you will not worry about the leak. Next is design part, ensure flow and pressure. Normally, we are all talking about pressures, which is easily measurable in the pressure gauge. We don't know what is the flow going inside the pipe, right? So flow is more important than pressure for injection molding. Everybody thinking pressure is very important, but for either oil cooling or mold cooling, we need proper flow, flooded flow across the piping system for better heat transfer. So we are all talking about pressure, but we forget most of the time flow, but we want to ensure both flow and pressure. Normally, most of the injection molding molds need 2 to 3 bar pressure, not more than that. If you are going with gravity flow design, even we did a lot of gravity flow for United Industries and Mainity Plastics. So if you are going with gravity flow design, any mold, we need only 2 to 3 bar, but we need flow, flooded flow. It will go through all the channels. That is very important. So if you are talking about productivity means that utility, how optimized utility we can use, either water or power, with the efficiency, increasing efficiency of the system. So, servo motor replaced with standard fixed speed motor and saved a lot of energy, right? Normally, even for flow rates, for injection molding, oil cooling, almost 20 to 30% water flow reduced because of the servo motor. One area we are reducing power, another area we are reducing flow, so we are reducing power. If you are reducing the flow means pump power will comes down. So overall optimization is happening because of the servo motors. So we are also taking care of the design. When servo motors are coming in the picture, we reduce the flow rate. Even though the IMM manufacturers are giving some X flow rate, we optimize it further and we successfully run the system. So I told, right, pipe is a vital part, whether it is our body or in plant. Without piping, without transporting the fluid, nothing will happen. So I request all are all attending this seminar should give due respect to the piping design. You can go with any other piping, that doesn't matter. You go PPR, GI, MS, that doesn't matter. But design is very, very important. We should take care of the design. And the frictional loss, right? Frictional loss calculation is very important for piping design. So normally, we are not doing proper frictional loss calculation. Mostly we are working on thumb rule. But fortunately, when we have purchased our cooling tower software, my guru is there, Mr. Manogaran, our managing director. When we purchased our cooling tower software, Mr. Nair has given me the software for piping design. It is called Dorsey-Weback frictional factor, which is internationally accepted. Whether we are going with 2 machines or 10 machines or 100 machines, we should design is same. Maybe flow may increase. The calculation is also same. Every bend, that tees, every teeth-through flow, we should calculate the pressure drop properly. Then only we can select the proper pump. If you are not selecting proper pipe size, if you are not calculating the proper pressure drop, then you are unable to select the proper pumping head. If you are not selecting the proper pumping head, you will not get the flow and pressure till end of the machines. This is about the frictional loss versus velocity. So if you are not designing the piping system with proper velocity, normally pressure piping we should design 1.5 meter per second to 2.5 meter per second. This model example, the same pipe dia, same bend, the same flow rate, same bend, same T. If you are selecting 100 mm pipe for 860 cmH, the pressure drop is 10.577 meter per water column. If you wrongly select 80 NB, that means 3-inch pipe, you see how much the pressure drop increases. 31.748. 3 times pressure drop increases if you are decreasing 1 time, one size of the pipe. If you again design wrongly with the 2.5 inch, that means 60 and 65 NB pipe size, it is phenomenally, it is increased, almost 9 times it is increased. It is almost 89 meter per water column. If you think in your plant, if you are sizing one size, small design, compared to your required size, what will happen in your plant is, you are working with the plant with increased pumping head. That is the only way to achieve the flow, right? Instead of 5 HP, you may run with 7.5 HP or 10 HP, and lifelong you are paying the bill, and we will spoil our environment, right? So this is the very important thing for piping design. And so that we are calling pipe as a power, and I think Arun, my colleague, will give detailed presentation after this session. So another important power saving in plastic pipe is, plastic pipe C value is high, right? Metal pipe is 100, plastic pipe C value is 150. So the frictional loss across the plastic pipe is reduced 20 to 30% compared to metal pipe, which is in this, it is saving the power more compared to the metal pipe. So this example, this pressure drop calculation shows, if we are going with plastic pipe, it is 8.5 meter per meter water column. If you are going with metal pipe, it is 10.5 meter per water column, almost 20-25% we can save frictional loss if you are going with plastic pipe. It is not about PPR, any plastic pipe, if you are going, the frictional loss will decrease. So it is importance of piping design. So it will affect our production, it will affect our power, it will affect our maintenance. So proper pipe design, proper selection of material of construction according to the pressure and temperature is very vital for long-term productivity of our any plant, not only injection molding plant, any kind of process plant, pipe design is very vital. So our contributions, we can proudly say in my lifetime, what are all project I did, I may save 5 megawatt per day energy, even for 500 or 600 plus projects. Even you are considering 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt power saving per project, I may save almost 5 megawatt per day power for our industry. And United Industries, that is like my company, Suresh knows, from Kirugambakam plant to all the plants I have involved for piping design. Some project I did turnkey, some project I am not doing turnkey, but I am involved for piping design. In Mainity Plastics, all 3 plants, in MEPS plant and Srinivasan plant, all the plants, we have removed the old piping, inefficient piping, and we replaced with the PPR in phased manner without affecting their production. We did 6 months each and every Saturday, Sunday, we took that replacement, and we replaced everything with the PPR piping system. See, we have designed 15 to 20 LPM for hydraulic oil cooling. It's working till last 5 years for 150 ton or 200 ton. Up to 250 ton, it is running with 25 LPM, but they are running with chiller. It's not a cooling tower. They are running with chilled water. And the fun school, along with the GEM, we have designed, see, initially we have gone for cooling tower plus chiller combination. For 24 machines, Shiburo machines are there. For 24 machines, we have designed each 4 machines per chiller. We avoid cooling tower, we avoid centralized chiller. Each and every out of that area, they are having place to install the chiller. Their layout supported us, so that we have installed 6 chillers and running 24 machines, both oil and mold. So all the machines are having temperature sensors, right? It is not allowing the water when oil temperature is low. Everybody is having thermostat, right, in the machines. So this is our very big achievement. We saved a lot of capital equipment, capital cost. If you are thinking cooling tower, foundation, centralized piping, we saved almost 40 lakhs. And they invested for chiller. So capex is nil. And even OPEX is very less, since all the machines are that servo machines. So even their operating cost for oil cooling is very less. Like another very important project is Sri Plasto. and along with gem Orion chillers, we designed, we have given complete solution. What I want to say is, it is not about single area. We should work for all the areas, chiller optimization and piping optimization and process study. What is the exact heat load they need to cool that mold? These things, along with my director, we studied completely and we replaced completely with our energy efficient inverter chiller, and I have designed the piping. Along with piping design, along with the inverter chiller, along with study of that process, we saved lot of energy in sheet plasto molders, and they completely changed everything to inverter chiller, even for next project. So apart from that, I have designed lot of project, Unitech, Besmark, Purushottam molds, ABS plant, Pune I designed, Bison Plastics, Masan sir has come, I have designed. So we have given lot of engineering design solution to especially plastic industry, injection molding industry, along with PPR pipes. So this is our green thumb pipe, you already seen. You know, this is the very big issue for cooling towers, right? Scaling. Even if you are using plastic pipe, we are unable to avoid the scaling. Scaling is the process which is happening because of the evaporation in the cooling tower. But if you are going with PP pipes, descaling is very easy. We can do high pressure acid cooling even after 3 years or 5 years. Pipe will not affect because you know, right, PP is it is chemical resistant pipe, and the joints will not affect because of the high pressure. So you can safely do the descaling in case of PPR piping system. So this is for chilled water. Chilled water, we are reducing our that insulation because the PPR pipe is a self-insulated pipe. We can reduce the thickness of the insulation. So compressed air line, we can go with PPR. It is alternative for aluminum pipe. And firefighting, we have developed this pipe and we got class 1 certification for firefighting. This is class 1 NBC norms. We got this class 1 certificate. Even we can use PPR for firefighting application. As I told, we are buying only R200P Usong raw material, which is world-class raw material available. And see, we are giving turnkey solution, as I told, from design to erection to commissioning. So this is the lifetime solution, means the quality pipes, skilled workers, quality plastic machines together is giving turnkey solution. So we are present all over the state. We are having our team, erection team, supply and installation team. See, these are all some installation. This is Bank of Baroda installation in Hyderabad we did. India's largest chilled water project for data center we did. And these are all Delphi TVS, and this is for other installation. They are all our valued customer. Here, most of the people knows us. I'm inviting all of you for Ref Gold, for starting from tomorrow. We are having our stall A01. Please come and see our product there. Thank you.